Welcome to the Deep Dive. I'm Susan.
And I'm Dr. Coco. Great to be here. Today we're looking at something really quite significant in feline health, a potential game changer.
Okay, so for everyone listening, especially cat lovers, what's the major health issue we're focusing on?
We're talking about feline kidney disease. It's a really big one, a leading cause of mortality in cats, sadly.
It's tricky, right? Because it sneaks up on them.
Exactly. It often progresses very slowly, quietly, and, well, effective treatments have been pretty limited, until maybe now.
Okay, so what is changing? What's this new development?
Well, the excitement stems from work being done in Japan by Dr. Toru Miyazaki at the AIM Medical Institute.
Right.
Yes, he's been developing a treatment based on something called the AIM protein.
AIM protein. Okay, unpack that for us. Why is that so important for cats with kidney problems?
Right, so Dr. Miyazaki made this discovery back in 2016. It was published, I believe, in Scientific Reports. And what he found was pretty fascinating. Unlike humans, unlike dogs, cats don't really naturally activate this AIM protein effectively.
What does AIM normally do?
Think of it like a cleanup crew. In the kidneys, it helps clear out cellular waste, debris that can build up and cause damage.
And in cats, this cleanup isn't happening properly.
Essentially, yes. Their system doesn't activate AIM. Well, so this waste, this debris, it accumulates in the kidneys over time.
Ah, okay. So this new treatment then, it directly targets that specific problem, that deficiency.
Precisely. The idea is to administer the AIM protein directly to the cat.
Kind of supplementing what their body isn't doing on its own.
You got it. It's different from current approaches, like special diets or managing symptoms. This aims at the root cause.
Right, supportive care versus actually fixing the mechanism. So where are we with this? How close is it to being, a real option for vets and cat owners?
It's actually in a very advanced stage. There's a large-scale clinical trial happening right now, the final one.
How large?
It involved 550 cats, which for feline kidney disease research is huge. The biggest trial of its kind ever.
Wow, 550. That's serious. When do they expect results from that?
The projection is for it to conclude in the second half of 2025, so relatively soon.
Okay, 2025 conclusion. And then the big question, when might it actually be available, assuming the trial goes well?
The target launch year they're aiming for is 2027.
2027. Okay, still a little ways off, but definitely on the horizon.
Yes, assuming positive results, that's the goal.
So let's talk impact. For people listening who might have a cat with kidney disease or who've gone through it, what could this realistically mean?
Well, if you look at the potential, Dr. Miyazaki himself is quite optimistic. He's suggested that if we can effectively resolve these kidney issues, it could potentially extend a cat's lifespan quite dramatically.
Like how dramatically?
He's even mentioned the possibility of cats living perhaps as long as 30 years in some cases.
30 years? That's incredible. Almost double the current average for many cats.
It's a remarkable thought, isn't it? Doubling the time you might have with your companion.
That would be absolutely life-altering for so many people and their pets. Okay, so wrapping this part up, the key takeaway seems to be real, tangible hope on the horizon.
Definitely. A potentially revolutionary treatment that could vastly improve not just lifespan, but quality of life for cats with kidney disease.
It really offers hope where, frankly, options have felt limited for a long time.
Absolutely. Hope for the cats and hope for the owners dealing with this difficult diagnosis. And maybe this leaves you, the listener, with a thought. What other health challenges in animals or even humans that seem insurmountable today might be cracked open by scientific breakthroughs like this tomorrow? Where else might we find new hope?
Well, thank you for walking us through this exciting development.
My pleasure, and thank you all for joining our deep dive today.